Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix triangulator will limit how often you can do certain things on Instagram. So if you see this kind of error on your Instagram when you try to post something or try to like a post on Instagram, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And for this, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi internet connection can be restarted. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open your Instagram here, and after that you have to simply click on profile, and after clicking on profile you have to click on settings and privacy. And here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of help. So here you have to click on that. So here what you have to do, you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team so that they can solve it for you. So you have to click on report a problem. So here you have to simply click on report problem without shaking. So moreover, you have to also click on include and continue, because it will always include all the problems which are occurring here. So here what you have to do, you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team, that what is the problem you are having. So I have already done the description, which is as that: hello Instagram team, when I try to post or like a post, then there occurs an error in the screenshot below. Kindly help me in this regard, I shall be very thankful to you. So that is you have to write in your description, and after that you can also mention your email or phone number or any kind of contact, so that Instagram team will connect to you and solve the problem for you. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot of the problem which you have already taken. Or after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on send, and your report will be sent to Instagram team. So in this way you can simply solve that problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.